Our first time going to the Orr Family Farm in Oklahoma City.
All that's included with the ticket price, buddy.
There's some extra stuff, I'm sure. Oh, other side of the railroad. Yeah.
Where all the little rides are. Go ahead and ride them. Donut Depot. Man, they got 4 of those triple decker. So busy.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna get sick, man. We're already having a good time, so. Okay. Once this one gets off, I'm sure everybody's gonna move over. Could hear the scream.
Put your hands up! Looks like we'll be able to get on that barrel ride. That's gonna be awesome. Look at it.
Hi! She's trying to wave at us. At least a couple.
That's the end.
Stop it. Look, he's got to just kind of.
I don't think there's. Oh yeah, there. If there was no seatbelt, you can't really go to the road. So you want to have
Yeah, you guys were still spinning for a while, huh?
You're tall enough.
Yeah.
I'm at the top.
Yep. All right.
I'm just big old.
Yeah. Not too big. You'll find out.
Kind of cool, yeah. I bet we can knock out these 3 that would have done them, and then we can go do a hayride or for corn maze or something fun before it gets really hot.
Right. He's concentrating on the ground. The seatbelts are saving us. He's worried.
I feel secure. No, I'm not getting that one hurt. it really wasn't that bad of a price. If you go to the carnival and rides these things, you're looking.
Right, $30 each.
Let's look at the chicken shell.
That's what they call it.
And we're in Oklahoma City. We can stop by a Whataburger on the way back.
I saw it on the way here.
Yeah, you want it down to.
We could try it. Oh, we're gonna go to the next one. Careful. Alice, you should have helped your brother, bud.
Go back on the green thing.
Alright, say thank you.
Can we go on that one?
Alright, go around to the front.
I'm scared.
Keep going.
Stay on that one, okay?
You're good. It's locked. You're in number 2. Odin, help turn it.
I don't think he wants it to turn back. There you go.
Looks like
Yeah. I think she had it going so fast she was not about that life.
oh my god.
I'm thinking about filling up my cup so we have water as we go.
We'll take them animals.
Yeah.
Do the pony ride. Alright, stop spinning it, guys. I'll fucking fit. Odin, stop spinning it.
Odin, stop spinning. Oh, she's spinning it too, I guess.
Alex, stop spinning. Stopping.
She'll figure it out. They were both spinning a bunch at the end of the last one.
Undo it, let's get out and go. Don't lean over if you're busy. If you're busy, sit down. Hi, what's up?
Odin, it's alright, wait.
Go
Whoa.
to the exit over there.
Right there.
Your name? That is Rainier. Rainier?
Yes.
Just like Mount Rainier. Yep. Yep. I used to live there. Oh, did you? Oh,
Get up.
Do you know how I'm chewing on this cable like this?
Put your legs around it.
I'm chewing on this cable.
Yeah, you're doing good. Ready? Go! Woo! gonna drag.
Hop off.
He's getting his game plan on.
Alex, put your faces in there.
We're lost.
Put your head in
Alice,
there,
where'd you
Alex.
go? Whoop. Hey.
Give me one of these.
Look at me. Alright. And off we go. Doo-doo-doo-doo.
Hey, out the drink.
Okay.
I think people are shortcuts through here. Push your card once for each of the monsters and once for the hiding place.
Exercise and fun. Yeah.
Milk jug. And there's the monster. And there's a monster.
Alright, give Daddy the punch card.
We need a punch card.
See if that's a monster. Blue guy. It's not a monster. But we got this guy, Big Bob, right here. That one, and we got the milk jug, right?
Alright, we gotta wait our turn.
That did not actually go through. One of the stands did not go
Oh, the
through.
wheel.
Alright, give him the card.
Dancing. Why?
Because he's evil. So we got this chick, Susan. B. Anthony. Yep. It's
What
only,
is that?
it's a weather vane.
Woohoo.
It was a black.
Tried to get me.
Never. There's Kevin right there. And there's a sailor. So it's not he ain't the rich sailor. I'm gonna figure this all out.
Why is the cat dabbing? It's even little. Cat dabbing.
Dab kitty. I missed it. He got him again. Go, Daddy, go. Hi. Oh, another cool.
The llama doing.
Look out.
Sassy llama.
Old truck. Okay, old truck, old farm truck.
Last clue. Woo.
Big section.
It might be a bow and arrow.
Farthest one.
It might be a banana.
A banana.
Yeah, the banana isn't there.
Yep, we'll see.
Last one, don't we can
Yep, last one.
We got
say? Yeah. A new diving cat.
this guy right here. Arnold.
Did we do it? Maybe. Oh. We did it! Dun, da, da. Back to the beginning.
Use Joe's farm down there outside the corner. Where's that? Aha, that way you get one of each.
A's a tattoo and B's a sticker.
Yay!
You want the booklet?
Wait, I can
Or
put
can we
this
keep
in
it
my
as
bag.
souvenirs?
Yeah, and you're doing all good
Yeah,
job.
good job, guys.
We did it.
Nah. Nah. You wasn't. That was just fun.
We won.
Because
The Doyle rules.
Did that?
Is this
That
one of yours?
actually was
Yes,
like
ours has a
that,
rip
and
part.
That's how we got to all the police.
Right? That's a good strategy.
Come on, guys.
All right, let's go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Odin, let me see ya. Look at mommy.
Hey, we are in the pumpkin. And no one's gonna save us.
All right, let's. Let me see ya. Really, Alex? All right. All right. You done with this side in a second. All right. All right. Look at mommy.
Got it?
Yep. Say trick or treat, kids.
Okay, go.
Woo!
I think even can stay in the pumpkin chair. But we were going to a different way. I don't know.
Hey, hey, hey.
Come on, walk back.
Let's walk back.
Away from one to the barrel one.
Yeah, I did it.
Girl train.
Hey, how you doing back there?
I'm doing horrible. I keep smelling your head. You got a smelly head. Don't worry about me and Mom. Watch the road.
Please.
Who's smooching? Someone's smooching back there.
I love you.
See? I gave her smooches. Watch the road. Look out, there's a deer.
We want some soup.
All right.
How do you do that?
Take this through the corn maze. Woo.
All right, take us through the corn maze now. All the way. Barrel ride, barrel ride. You're in a barrel.
You're in a barrel.
A pumpkin barrel.
You are.
You are too, buddy. You're my buddy. Yeah, fit.
I'm okay.
Ooh, yeah, breeze.
They need to have Mister set up right here.
Right? I love that.
You know what I mean? We walk underneath, get misted.
Right?
Misting stations.
Well, to be fair, they probably weren't planning on it being this hot.
Well, it's hot.
Yeah.
Misting stations. Let's go.
Be spooky.
Ooh,
There'll be some scary animatronics in the space side.
Stay seated. All right, now you can get out.
Stay seated.
All right, let's go.
Happy
Come on, Odin. Come on, Odin. All right, Odin, Alice, turn around. Picture. All right, let's go.
Oh, look at them. They go for it.
Why do they have a sign for cows if it's not cows?
Oh, look, it rolls down the line. They're like, oh my God, yes.
Just don't put your hand in his mouth area. Top of his head.
Can't feed him this feed though. He wants it though. Look at him. Don't put your hand in his mouth. He'll bite you. He wants the feed. I don't like that one. He looks weird. What's going on with him? He's got 9 horns.
Oh, you want to try again? You gonna eat it? There you go. Good job. Oh, there you go. Whoop.
Hit him?
That one needs to have its own. Jump in the water. In the water.
Ooh, he's got a hard little honker. I wouldn't. He bites pretty.
He wants to try it. She wants to feed the chicken.
He eats it from the water. The chicken will eat it from the water.
Yep, he got it.
He eats it from the water.
He got it. He got away from you, huh? Chicken. That's a cute goat.
Oh, we got an extra Orr Family Farm souvenir.
There you go.
What's the double chicken?
Feed anything but the horses.
Can I go to the top of that?
Okay. Move them over.
Hi, Odin. Odin. Odin, we're gonna go. Yep.
I'm gonna pick that one.
Okay.
The biggest one.
Let's see what they put you on.
Guys, got any pack mules? There you go. Sit down.
No, that's all I
Yep.
like this one.
Aww.
I don't think it would fit that.
Smile.
Odin, smile. Oh. Mine's blowing boogers on everybody.
Odin.
Right back at you, Horsey. The small one's for the littlest kids. That's way bigger than one of these kids. Pick the big one. Looks like the one Odin's on had like hip surgery though. See? Right here?
Hi. Yeah, I see it.
Odin.
Yeah.
Look at that little pony she's on.
Cute.
That pony's super wide. See? She's gonna be fighting the whole way.
Yeah.
The rest of them kind of go with the flow. Dylan, come here. What did I tell you?
There you go.
The super cute little ponies.
Dun, 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 dun.
Sometimes we have to do things we don't
Alright, off we go.
Come on, Alex.
Agora fica minha esposa lá americana.
Why did the chicken cross the basketball court?
Well, I don't know. Why did the chicken cross the basketball court?
He heard the referee calling fouls.
That was horrible.
They gotta be corny.
Wakes you up at the same time every morning.
Well, what do you call a rooster like that?
You'd call that kind of a rooster an alarm clock.
This is what you wanted. This is what you wanted.
What do chickens serve at birthday parties?
Well, I don't know. What do they serve at birthday parties?
Good cakes.
It's pressing the button.
Now, which day of the week do chickens hate most?
I don't know which day do the chickens eat.
Friday.
That's quite enough of that.
Alright, come on, kids.
That is not chicken I
Chicken jokes. Is that funny, Odin?
Yeah, I know.
Hey, Odin, guess what?
More chicken.
Chicken butt.
Chickens.
What do you get if you cross a copper stream?
Come on, Odin. Yep.
Guys, SpongeBob, why?
Here it comes. have people renting the place now. They spend the day at the fair and then go to bed in the teepees. I do love fall. We are. We're on the track. Yep, little cat. Spider. Yeah. It's a fancier little area. Goes. It's alright, Odin, she knows. Yep, there's a paddle boat right there. Right, the statue.
House is right over there. I got teepees and wagons. It's not water, I told you that. Oh, fake horses for pictures. Now that's a nice pond. Another one right there.
Yeah. I like that big skeleton. It's very Halloween town, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all you now.
Good job, Owen.
I'm right here. I'm like the live. I think you were. End of the line.
There you go. There's Alice. Well, you can trade with somebody. Alright, now you wait for another one to become available.
So after you do what?
She's wanting a smaller one.
3 rounds, you have to come back and stop.
Yeah, we need other people to get to go as well.
Oh, another one.
There goes Daddy.
Okay, then get off.
I almost made it. Willie.
Good job, Lou.
Willie did.
Alright.
Is this the way?
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's
go.
Go time, Odin. Woo!
It's a mean mark.
She wanted a small one. That seems pretty small. Whoop.
Alright, Alice.
Alright, Alice, come with us.
Sorry about walking up. Oh, you're right.
Alright, Odin. Stay with Daddy. Alright. Big store.
Mark it all up.